Hey, this is Jim with Dieselgeek, and today I'm going to show you the ins and outs of assembling your side-to-side bracket for the Sigma shifter. This is the Sigma side-to-side bracket, and it is the same for 5-speed and 6-speed. So what you need to do is when you assemble this, you need to assemble it with the orientation the same. Like this is the slider, this is a Mark IV 5-speed bracket right here. This is the stock one, and this is the slider right here. And so you want to make sure and take the pin that is the slider pin, which is the larger diameter pin, and you know if you put it in here, you can see that it fits here, whereas the slider wouldn't fit on there because that's too small. But anyway, you take the slider pin and you put it in this hole so it matches what you have. And so then, you know, the cable end pin would go in the other hole. So the 5-speed Mark IV and the Sigma 6 use the same side-to-side bracket now. The holes are exactly the same, so you just need to make sure and make them match. And if you make them match, everything will be fine. And that's it.